That sounded weird. Alright, change location. So over here. And I'm not using my long antenna. Yeah, as long as I'm not in between the trees, everything looks fine. Just weird how that, just a little area, just how much it screws up all the signal strength of the VTX. Kind of keeping an eye on my RSSI. That's fine. So I'm using not the stock but the 6 dBm one. More than plenty. And again, this is just one little piece of area between the trees and the playground that makes the difference, or the need for a little extra antenna signal strength. Low battery. Wow, 3-minute batteries. Alright. It's 40 degrees out. I don't blame the batteries though. Yeah, I can't even imagine the puffy battery. This might be the one. No, actually, no, it should have ended at 3 minutes if it was the puffy one, so. Nice.